In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, successful trading on crypto exchanges requires a combination of strategic planning, analysis, and discipline. By implementing key strategies, traders can increase their chances of success in this volatile market. This video will explore some essential strategies for successful crypto exchange trading, including understanding market trends, setting clear trading goals, diversifying your portfolio, embracing patience and emotional discipline, and staying informed and continuously learning. Understanding market trends and analysis. Grasping the pulse of the market through diligent trend analysis is a cornerstone for thriving in crypto exchange trading. An acute awareness of market dynamics enables traders to execute trades based on solid data rather than guesswork. Utilizing technical analysis tools is imperative for spotting potential buying or selling opportunities. Indicators like moving averages provide a smoothed-out price trend over a specific period, while the Relative Strength Index, RSI, can signal overbought or oversold conditions, guiding traders in making timely decisions. On the flip side, fundamental analysis digs deeper into the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency by examining factors such as its technological advancements, team competence, and current demand within the market. This dual approach of combining technical with fundamental analysis equips traders with a comprehensive understanding, allowing for more calculated and strategic trading moves. Setting clear trading goals and limits. Establishing well-defined trading objectives and boundaries is crucial in the realm of crypto exchange trading. Before initiating any trades, it's imperative for traders to identify their desired profit levels, define their stop-loss points, and determine their level of risk acceptance. These predetermined parameters serve as a safeguard against the sway of emotional trading, ensuring that decisions are guided by logic and strategy rather than fleeting emotions. A meticulously crafted exit strategy is equally important, enabling traders to cut their losses or lock in profits in a timely manner. Diversifying your crypto portfolio. One of the foundational pillars of adept trading on crypto exchanges is a well-diversified portfolio. The principle of not putting all your eggs in one basket holds particularly true in the volatile realm of cryptocurrency. Spreading investments across a variety of assets mitigates the risk associated with the underperformance of a single cryptocurrency. This strategic diversification enables traders to cushion the blow of potential losses, thereby safeguarding their capital to a greater extent. Incorporating a mix of different types of cryptocurrencies into your investment strategy can be beneficial. For example, balancing your portfolio with a combination of high volatility assets, such as certain altcoins, with more stable investments like Bitcoin or Ethereum, can offer a protective hedge against market fluctuations. Embracing patience and emotional discipline. The volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market tests the emotional fortitude of every trader. To navigate this space successfully, adopting a mindset of patience and emotional discipline becomes indispensable. The temptation to react hastily to market swings, be it a sudden surge or drop, can lead to decisions that stray from a well-thought-out trading plan. It's essential for traders to cultivate an ability to maintain a cool head, especially during periods of extreme market volatility. Developing this level of discipline involves a conscious effort to adhere to predefined trading strategies and goals, regardless of the market's whims. It requires an understanding that not all trades will result in profit, and accepting losses is part of the learning process. Moreover, this disciplined approach aids traders in resisting the allure of chasing losses or becoming overly exuberant after a win. Staying informed and continuously learning. The dynamic landscape of the cryptocurrency market demands that traders not only stay abreast of current events, but also commit to lifelong learning. With the rapid introduction of new cryptocurrencies, technological advancements, and regulatory changes, keeping informed can significantly impact trading strategies and outcomes. Furthermore, leveraging analytical tools and resources to interpret market data plays a crucial role in refining trading approaches. Networking with seasoned traders and attending industry seminars can also enhance understanding and introduce new perspectives. This continuous pursuit of knowledge equips traders with the tools to adapt to market changes, identify emerging opportunities, and make more informed decisions, laying the groundwork for sustained success in the volatile world of crypto exchange trading. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on subscribe button if you found this video informative and exciting. We love hearing from you, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.